Welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, guess what? I'm all decorated for the autumn season. So let's do a fall yard tour. Come on. Here we go, guys. Here in my part of the South, our foliage hasn't started to turn yet, but I'm ready when it does. But the nights and the mornings are getting a whole lot cooler, so it does feel like fall. Here on the gazebo, guys, I've put my scarecrows, one on each pole. And I've swagged garlands of fall foliage. I guess these are probably maple leaves. They've got the rust and orange and red and yellow. I put a different scarecrow on each side, or as many variations as I could find at the store. Lots of places this time of year carry these little straw scarecrows. I picked mine up at Walmart, but I've saw them lots of other places. Let's go up here and have a look. Here at the entrance to the gazebo, I've put a couple of yellow mums. I hope to plant these in the yard later, and hopefully they'll come back. And here for my little fall display, I've got a cute little vintage wagon. It's a Roadmaster. Mother picked this up for me, and I thought it was kind of cute because it's orange. And I've got my different pumpkins, the lady pumpkins and the orange pumpkins. I put a couple small bales of wheat straw. And I've mixed both real and faux pumpkins. Can you tell which ones are which? I'll give you a hint, he's real. And I put some wheat straw just to kind of give me a little bit of a backdrop back there. Tomorrow is October the 1st. And I don't really decorate for Halloween. I just do a fall display, and this will stay up through October and November until I'm ready to put my Christmas decorations up. And I usually put those up or start putting them up Thanksgiving Day or Thanksgiving evening. Let's go around and I'll show you the different scarecrows. I got one here. He's got his little breeches, little blue jeans with patches on. This little guy, he's got on some boots. My new limelight hydrangeas I planted are kind of turning green now. Let's go up here on the porch and I'll show you my wreath. Guys, I go big or I go home. This is quite the bodacious wreath, but I like a door full. I put some burlap bows on the topiaries. I made this wreath this year. I started with a grapevine wreath, believe it or not. There's one under there. And I've used eucalyptus sort of as my base. That's what gives it the fluffy and large appearance. And I'll give you guys a tip. Don't put eucalyptus outside in its natural state because it will bleed and drip. This eucalyptus, I have actually spray painted it. I found kind of a rusty brown color, rusty orangey tone, and I spray painted the eucalyptus first before I put it in the wreath. I've tried using clear varnish and it didn't work, and so that's a way to seal it so that because it's a natural material it won't drip. And here I've got some large sunflowers. Fall foliage, there's oak leaves with acorns, and I've got these pretty tangerine colored hydrangeas, and I have lady pumpkins, here at the bottom I have a large pumpkin, I've got some yellow little fillers. There are also oak leaves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.